Hey folks, you are cordially welcome to my channel. To change titles and tags in WordPress, there are several methods. To change the page title, you can use a theme, Yoast, or all-in-one SEO plugins. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, open your WordPress, go to Settings, and then head direct to General. Let's start visually. Here you will see the defaulted settings for your SEO title, which you can remove to add your own. To change the post title to H1 in WordPress Gutenberg, you can change the page title tag in the theme settings. To prioritize tags over titles, you can use the YRPP plugin and adjust the formula to put more priority on tags.